Yes, hello world. Welcome to Sungura Motors tutorials. Today we continue where we ended on how to create an automatic Tanzanian secondary school students results processing and management template using Microsoft Excel. Welcome to lesson 4. Let's go. Okay, you open the worksheet here. This is the workbook till it opens. The rest lesson we ended on how to create a terminal sheet. There is a terminal sheet. We end on how to change the information. The Form 1 terminal exam results June 2022. Let us proceed. Today I want to show you also if at all we want to remove this sinus if this data are empty, therefore all cells could be empty. Yes, we say the sum. Yes, we change the formula here. Say if sum of E9 ratio M9 equal to empty, be empty, and if sum of this one B dash also B dash, and when the sum is 0 B dash, let's say it be empty, so that no student will be allowed to have 0 score. Otherwise we'll have to find the score from 1, etc. Our intention is to make all these cells to be empty when all these cells are empty also. Let's try. Then when we highlight here, it remains empty. That is what I was finding. Therefore, when you use this formula, you are not required and a student is not required to get a score marks. Otherwise, on the total cell, on the total column, there will be nothing to be written. For example, let's see, if the student has scored 0, then nothing will be written here. Otherwise, scores must start from 1. Let's say 1. You can see how it lights. My intention is to make all these cells from here and this and this and this and this to be blank when there are no data entered here. That is what I was doing. You can come and change this formula. I can copy this. I can copy this. I come to my terminal, to my midterm sheet, and paste this formula. Then I highlight up to the lower scores. That is what I was doing. Now to the registration, let us remove these names, remaining with only one name as an example. Let's proceed. That is the midterm also will be having only one name. The terminal also will be having one name. Okay, that is all right. Now we are in a position to proceed with another sheet. This is sheet 5. This sheet 5 now, we find the total of the marks of the midterm and the terminal marks. Therefore, we create the total sheet. We'll name it as a total sheet. Then here we will insert all of the details of a students that will be also linked to the report. Therefore, be very careful when you are watching this sheet because it will contain many functions and formula. The first one, we inserted the headings as normal as usual. We come to say we import equal marks. We come to key info. We write this one. Then we highlight this one up to here. We find that now this one is President's Office Regional Administration local governments, Bukoba District Council, Katale Secondary School. Therefore, here we say it is not the midterm exam now, it is the total. Then we say, mind you that when we are creating this total marks, it means that we are finding the terminal exam, which will include the midterm marks and the terminal marks. Therefore, we find the total. Therefore, this one should be labeled as the midterm. Then we come to change this. We say it is equal marks. We come to info. Then it is the Form 1 terminal exam results. That looks very good. Therefore, here we come also to insert the essential data. For example, starting to the registration number, the names, etc, etc, etc. Now I will come here and copy this one. I will come here and copy. No, thank you. I started from here. I started from here. Yes, I will have to copy and paste here. Paste here. Yes, this is registration number. Then I will have also to write the formula here in equal marks. Then I come to registration. You find this is the name. This is the name. Then I highlight up to the class. Up to here. What is this? No. Okay, let's proceed to edit here because I don't understand what is this, but let's go. Then I highlight, I copy this one, I highlight to here up to the end. Yes, our intention is to create a template having only 100 students. Therefore, we will have to delete all this data from here. Wow, that is. Let's go. Then what we are doing here is to make all sheet, the column, the column and the row to be in a good position of inserting our data. That is what we can do. This is the registration number. We reduce the font size of this. Reduce the font size. Students' names, you can see we increase. It's now here. We highlight this one. We increase the font size. We change the font style. B Araya narrow. No thanks. B Araya. That is. And here also this one we change the font size. B Araya. Yes, the font style. We change the font style. B also Araya. Reduce the font size. Then we reduce this size, the size of the column, and this one also. Yes, we center them. Okay, this is very good. What is this name of this subject? No, thank you. We deleted this. Now we insert this year of the exam. We say it is year of of the exam. This one will help you to insert it and to insert it this. We wrap text here. What is, we reduce this one, year of the exam, then we center. Okay, you will see what do I mean by saying this year of the exam. Now the year of the exam, now we say we insert the formula so that we insert the formula as follows. We say, when we come to the registration, we said this is the class of Form 1s. Now we will create this template to be applied to all classes. You can see that this is the class of Form 1. They were registered 2022. Now, assuming that we are creating the template of the Form 2s. Now, if they were Form 2s, now we say this is Form 2. No. This Form 2, they were admitted in 20. They were admitted in 2021. No, they were admitted in 2021. Then you can see in Form 2 they were this one. Now we come to insert the formula here. If you can say, we say equals sign if this one equals to 1, therefore write the registration year this, or comma, and if if D8 equals to 2, then it writes then it writes the registration this one. Also, if D8 equals to 3, then it writes this year. Then you will see the application of this year on the results report there. And if D8 equals to 4, then let's write the year of this one. Otherwise it will have to, yes, no registration. If D8 equals to 2, then let's write the registration. Okay, there are some mistakes here, but don't worry, we will have to change the formula here. Let's try. Let's do this. Now Excel's case sensitive. These functions in the formula are case sensitive. When you mistake something, nothing will be written here. Let's try changing. Let's try changing this one. If we see the disturbance, we will reshift this part, otherwise we will have to edit it later, because it's essence. No, there are some mistakes here have been done, but let me say equals. Yes, you can see, Excel is case sensitive. When you do a mistake, it does not do what you command it. Very wonderful. I increased the size of this. I increased the font size, and the year is narrow. B12 and center them. Center. Yes, that is. Now let's try to change the class here. You will see even the year has been changed here. We change in the registration, right? It is Form 1s. They were admitted in 2021. Then you can see the total here. It has changed here. Let's change the year for admission here. The Form 1s have been admitted 2022. You can see. we will have to see even in the total the year have been changed. Thank you. This is how it works. Now we go on to insert the subjects. Remember that this is the total sheet, therefore we will have to add more column than what you expect, but it is very simple. Keep on watching. Now here we will have to insert another row. We insert another row here. What is it? We will have to see. This one where we add the marks. We first say this is the mid-term and this is the terminal, and this here we will have to write the total. No. Writers, let me delete this. Let me add more. No, let me insert four columns. Insert 4 columns. This is the terminal. This is the total. This is the average. This is the grade. This is the add to formula. Okay, the grade, the remarks, the subject teacher. This one will be applied in the report. Therefore, we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. Their significance will be seen as follows. What do I mean that? Because this one is the total sheet, it is therefore include the mid-term, the terminal, the total, the average, the grade, the remarks, and the subject teacher's comments. This subject teachers will be included in the reports there. Then let's see how to now input marks of the mid-term. When you put marks here, they will be linked to the total sheet with a simple calculation. Therefore, I will have to change the column width of this. Yes. No. Change the column width B3. 3 column 3. Now it works. The remarks and the subject teachers letters increase because teachers have been written with their wrong names. Now let's insert the marks here. First, before inserting, we will have also to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or insert in each subject. Therefore, we will have to copy this. Control copy. Here. Let's insert it also here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We insert. Yes, I have did copy each and every cell. Then okay. We're going to find that I have inserted the data in each cell for easy data inputting. I added borders. No, thank you. No, this one now has been a big sheet. I insert borders. Let's say up to here. No, it is not here. Yes, insert borders, all borders. Now we come to insert. We insert the data from the worksheets. Let me put the center this. No, center this one. Yes. Now we come to import the data of the marks. For example, this is civics. We want to import the data of the midterm test of civics. What do? We press equal marks, then we come to the midterm. We put here, this is 65. You can see it have been linked here. This is very easy. Now we highlight the formula, it goes there. The same applies. We come to the midterm. Also we input equal mark to the terminal. We put here, then you can see it comes. That is also the total. Now we say it is equal to the sum of these ones. You can see it here. The average. Now to the average we say no, let me change the formula, this formula, so that when here it is blank and here it is blank, therefore nothing will be written here. The sum is this one. The average, now we say if the total is equals to empty, let the formula leave empty also. If the total is equal to dash let the formula leave a dash also. And if yes, otherwise you will have to write the average of this one. Now this is the formula which we inserted. Let us try to insert data so that we can see how it works. For example, let me delete here. Let me delete here or input a dash here. Then the total be this one. You can see. And let me input also a dash here, Therefore we come to the total. You can see nothing have been written here. Now the sum, we say we change the formula of the sum. We come and copy this. You know, this sometimes you do not be bothered because I copy this one, copy the total here, I paste. You can see no. Can you see here? No, let me repeat it. I copy the formula, I copy, come to the total here, I paste. You can see that there is a hash because there is a reference here. Now we come to edit here, the sum of these ones, and here it is sum of these ones, sum of mistake here, sum of these ones, and here it is sum of these ones, then be the sum some of these ones. Yes, you can see the formula works. If here it is dash 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 b dash yes, b dash also here. Let me put a dash here, then this one also b dash. Therefore I copy this formula, the grade, no thank you, no, let me copy the formula also of the grade. The grade, copy the formula of the grade, put here. Don't be bothered, you can find it is automatic, because this is how Excel works. Let me end up here this lesson. For any inquiries, suggestions, challenges, or any addition, call or text the number 0625037741 or WhatsApp 0762037741. Thank you for watching. Hope you are waiting for the next lesson.